Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add freckles to your videos using CapCut. So to do that, it's pretty simple. You just have to open up your CapCut project and open the video where you would like to add freckles to your face. Then select the video, tap on retouch on the bottom of the screen, select face, and then just go to the makeup section and to the last option, which is freckles. And you are going to see a lot of different options that you can use to apply freckles to your face. There are multiple styles and options, and obviously with this little slider you can increase the intensity or decrease it as you like. As you can see, on the right side it is going to be more intense, on the left side it is less prominent. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation. Bye bye.